flower in the gloom. Meet me in the springtime, in the early days of June. I'll be living in the moonlight, 'cause I remember what it meant to know nothing of regret. I'll take a little time to find